Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is the 2024 Freedom Express 258 BHS bunkhouse slide. It's a bunkhouse model, obviously, and let's take a look. Pass-through storage. We've got an LED light and an extra table right in here. 4 stabilizers all around the unit. Power tongue jack. Beautiful front window. Power awning with another LED light strip. This unit has a griddle that mounts on the side of the trailer. And look at this cool sink. Hot and cold water. Nice little drawer in the back. Already hooked up with a ladder. Prepped for an observation camera. We can install these right at Friendship RV. This is a solid stairway. They're very cool. Extra large grab handle. This unit also has ASDL. And let's take a look. Double wide bunks in the back. The ladder you can remove, put down, kind of cool. Part of the bunks fold up for extra storage. Say you wanted a bike or something like that. This is our shower. We have the water saver system. How that works is you turn this dial and it circulates the water, and when this turns a different color, your water is hot, you can shower. Save you a lot of water. Very cool setup. Awesome, huge dinette booth. That'll fold down. You can sleep a couple people here. There's storage in the back, doors in the front. Very cool refrigerator, freezer. Lots of room here. Storage. Microwave, 3-burner cooktop range oven. Stereo system, smart TV, and what else can we have? More storage behind the wall. This is also equipped with the vaulted queen bed storage system. You just pick up the whole bed and you have storage. You can actually sit on those bunks. There's drawers in them, lots of storage. You have storage up on the top, front, both sides. Reading lights, we have a blue one, white one, whichever color you want. Room for another TV, pocket door. It's all set up here. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.